Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Queenie Priyatama. I would like to say thank you for coming to my presentation. It is great to see you all. Characteristic of school-age children. Emotional. Girls are usually taller and heavier than boys of the same age. The limbs extend to the end of this period, great improvement in coordination and smooth muscle. Bone growth. Bones are very sensitive to accident. Growth of permanent teeth, milk teeth, fall or big appetite, happy to eat and active. Ordinary vision function. Menstruation occurs at the end of this period. Normal vision function. Menstruation occurs at the end of this period. Likes to make friends, when to be successful, when to know is responsible for one's own behavior and self, is easily anxious if there is misfortune in the family. Intellectual. Enjoy being in a group, interested in competitive games, begins to show leadership. Intellectual. Enjoy being in a group, interested in competitive games, begins to show leadership attitude, begins to show self-appreciation, is honest, often has creative group of friends. Love to talk and express opinions, great interested in learning and skill, eager to experiment, always curious about something. Attention to something is very short. Factor activity. The eating habits of school-age children. Behavioral factor included. Here are ways of thinking, feeling, viewing food. Social experimental factor in terms of population, with competition level and characteristic. The availability of foods influenced by conditions that are man-made, such as agricultural system, infrastructure, and means of life. Technology development factor such as biotechnology that produces types of food ingredients that are more practical and more nutrition, attractive, durable, and others. How to make a child when to eat. Give appropriate proteins for children. Allow them to take the protein they want. New foods should be served when the child is hungry. The eating pattern of parents should fulfill the recommendation of balanced nutrition so that it can be appealed to their children, because good eating habits that are instilled since childhood will leave scar until adulthood. Comfortable environment situation. In general, do not like the pancake. Tasty, daily food that are not too salt and spicy. Nutritional problem. Obesity, severe malnutrition, anorexia nervosa. Effort to improve school children's diet. School children food needs attention, considering that it is still in infancy, so nutritional balance must be maintained in order to stay healthy. Calorie needs are determined by child weight, age, and activity. Boys at age needs about 200 calories of energy, while girls need about 1,900 calories. Energy net for children 7-9 years net about 1,800 calories, and kindergarten age children for 6 years net about 1,600 calories. Effort to improve children's nutritional and health in school. WHO has planned to concept of a healthy school or health promoting school through promotive and preventive efforts supported by quality curative and rehabilitative effort. Promotive and prevention. Provision of good and correct nutrition, supplementary food and breakfast, physical and spiritual healthy lifestyle, early detection and prevention of infectious disease, early detection of chronic disease disorder in school children, early detection or growth disorder in school-age children, early detection behavior disorder and learning disorder, immunization of school children, curative and rehabilitation, first hearing of accident at school, involvement of teachers in handling children with disorders and learning disorders, first holding emergency at school. I will answer questions from participants. Number 1. What are the nutrition requirements for school-age children? Carbohydrate, vitamin, protein, fiber, mineral, and vitamin. Number 2. How to prevent malnutrition in school children? Provide fruit and vegetable in every meal menu. Provide food that have carbohydrate. Provide food that have protein. Number 3. Why it important to pay attention to nutrition for school children, especially at the age school children. Nutritional health must considered because during school it is place for children to explore and develop their potential. If their nutritional health is not taken care of, it will result in a decrease in their activity. Thank you for you listening. May all those we have shared be beneficial of all of you.